How to restore Snapchat streaks after losing them. First, you want to simply open the Snapchat app, tap on your profile over here and tap on settings. After that, you want to simply scroll down from here until you see an option called I lost my snap streak on supports and feedback. You want to simply tap on here and you want to simply tap on how do I request a refund for a streak restore purchase, or what you can also do is you want to simply tap on how do I restore my streak. By doing so, you'd be able to read this prompt over here, and as you can see, it says if you recently lost your streak, you can restore it with one free streak restore or with an in-app purchase from this chat feed, or your conversation. However, you can start a new streak with your friends as well by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or more consecutive days. And please note, snaps sent with memories or spectacles. And please note, snaps sent with memories or spectacles. And please note, snaps sent with memories or spectacles contents to other Snapchatters do not count towards your streak. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.